Typewriters have played an unforgettable supporting role on screen. Let's take a look at some standout films where typewriters are in the spotlight. His Girl Friday, 1940. Starring Cary Grant and Rosalind Russell, this fast-talking newsroom comedy is a classic. Adapted from the 1928 play The Front Page, the press room scenes are filled with reporters typing away, a perfect visual match for the film's rapid-fire dialogue. Citizen Kane, 1941. In the newsroom, scenes of the cinematic classic directed by Orson Welles, typewriters are displayed as reporters race to uncover the meaning of Rosebud. The sound and sight of the machines reinforce the urgency and power of the press in shaping Charles Foster Kane's legacy. Misery, 1990. Based on the novel by Stephen King, this tense thriller features a writer forced to work on an old typewriter under terrifying circumstances. Kathy Bates delivers a stunning Oscar-winning performance that makes every keystroke suspenseful. The Help, 2011. Set during the civil rights movement in Jackson, Emma Stone's character is an aspiring writer. The typewriter becomes a symbol of courage and change as voices long silenced are finally recorded and shared. The Grand Budapest Hotel, 2014. Directed by Wes Anderson, this visually stylized film features beautifully composed shots of typewriter documents and records. Fun fact, the on-screen documents were actually typed on a 1930s typewriter. Whether symbolizing journalists, creative struggle, or social change, the typewriter remains one of cinema's most expressive props.